Hello, Edinburgh Castle! I've been waiting a long time to see that. Sing with me. Bring to me the morning and the dawning of the day. Speed up the sun and forward turn the clocks that slow away. Bring down the moon and shining stars that hold the nighttime long. Wake up the lark and bid him start to sing tomorrow's song. Get the ferry set for sea as fast as can be done. Let go the ropes and free your hopes of western skies come. The rising sun to starboard as the boat leaves open bay. Home and dreams of turning sleeves and fell the nodding day. Here we go. But I want to go over the great Atlantic oars on the cliffs of Kenilworth to majestic Skipinnish Aig. I'll play the game of the air, my idle body grace, and feel again the freedom of the land below the waves. Like barley in the wind, we've been scattered far and thin, but on the crooning of the Canadians to the precious we live in. No matter where we roam, over land and over foam, the Highland pools and children of the barley to come home. See Ben Heinish and Ben Ho in the early morning glow, then houses rising from the sea as the land begins to show. You know you're homeward bound, see me by the gun of sun of passion, then you stand again upon your island ground. Here we go. But I want to go over the great Atlantic roads on the cliffs of Kenilworth to majestic Skipinnish Aig. I'll play the game of the air, my island body grace, and feel again the freedom of the land below the waves. The island of Tidy and its part of land and sea goes through the bone like fire and stone is who you're born to be. On the one's fickle face, unyielding anchors to a place, a guiding saddle for you and your people and your race. Hands up! Settle in a bay, or the shores of Hudson Bay, the wilds of Argentina, or New Zealand's earth and clay. I've seen it growing wide, but the roots of island pride will bring us all together on the falling of the tide. But I want to go over the great Atlantic roads on the cliffs of Kenilworth to majestic Skipinnish Aig. I'll breathe again the air, my island body grace, feel again the freedom of the land. Sing it with me. I want to go. And breathe again the air, my island